How would you like an easy, messy bun that doesn't pull your hair? Um, yes, please. I'm sure you do. Because so many people use a ponytail scrunchie or an elastic to do their messy buns where you have to put it up and then you pull your hair through and then taking it out, you're kind of like ripping out your hair. And then you have all this hair on your ponytail elastic that you just pulled out of your head at the end. So you don't have to do that. What if I told you you do not have to mess with that again? There's an easier way to do a messy bun without using a ponytail elastic that pulls your hair. Okay, and that is the Lila Rose Flexi Sport. All right, or you can also use just a regular Lila Rose Flexi Clip. That works as well. Now, if you have a little slippery or finer hair, you probably want to go with the Sport because it is grippier. It's made out of grippy um, material that grabs your hair and doesn't slip out. So this is probably the best choice for a messy bun or top knot because it holds better. Now inside it has a flexible wire, like a piano wire that's strong. So this bends around your hair and then it has the three notches there that the tension now will hold your hair in place, okay? So there's no wrapping with a scrunchie or a ponytail holder. It's just put easy in, easy out, okay? You can take this out with one hand. Takes two hands to put it in, but one hand to take it out, okay? Now again, you can use a decorative flexi clip that's made out of just traditional metal, right, with a zinc pin, right, and flexible music wire and pretty beading. So if you want a little bit more decorative look on your hair, you'll want to go with this. But if you need more grip and hold, you'll want to go with the Sport. Okay, now the fun stuff, how to do this. Super, super easy. Like I wear this. This is like my new favorite hairstyle, go-to hairstyle now. It used to be the French twist. Now I'm on the messy bun kick, right? I don't know. Maybe I feel like it makes me look younger. I don't know. Right. And I also have been sleeping in it, which is super comfortable. Okay, because once your hair gets a certain length, right, you're laying on it and pulling on it. Okay, so to do this, right, super easy. You just take all your hair. Now, this might be easier to do upside down, right? So it's more on the top of your head. Okay, I have to get back down the camera. Okay. All right, so you take your ponytail there at the top of your head, right? And then you just fold it down. You just fold it back. Did you see that? Take that, fold it back so that there's some, ends still sticking out, right? Okay. Then you take your Flexi Sport. Okay, now the pin. Actually, this is reversible. Did you know that's reversible? You can wear it either way depending on the tightness level you want, right? If you need more, if you have more hair, or a hairstyle that needs more room, you do it that way. If you want it tighter or have a hairstyle that needs less room, you just switch it that way and it's tighter. This is awesome. I love the Sport. Okay, so you take the pin, you go along the back, right? You see that? You just place it. Just take it and place the pin right there, right? And then you just fold that right around the front of your hair. Oh, and then you put the little pin in the side right there, okay? Then you just pull out whatever hair you want. I'm doing this backwards, right? So you make it into a little, fan it into a little bun, like so, or however, whatever shape or style you like your messy bun in, right? So everybody's different. And yours will look different depending on your thickness and uh, texture of your hair as well. So however you want that, right? And then you just have this super comfortable because it doesn't pull your hair. So super comfortable messy bun, right? Make it as messy as you want, right? Okay, this is not my best work because when you're on video, you don't do your best work. Okay, so now just to take it out, I'm just gonna, it doesn't fall out, right? It doesn't fall out. super, I mean, it's much more secure than a cloth scrunchie that's a little more slippery and you don't always get the tension you want, right? Do you wrap it around 2 times or 3 times, right? 2 times is not tight enough, 3 times is too tight, right? Okay, so then you just take your pin right there to take it out and you just one-handed take it out and there's no pulling. There's no hair pulled out or wrapped around this in any way. Every single hair now is still intact in my scalp. I have not lost any. So this is great to help keep healthier hair. If you have thinning hair and you don't want to lose hair, right, or damage more hair, this is a great way to wear your hair. Use this Flexi Sport. So, okay, I'll try it one more time, see if it can look a little better, right? I'm used to doing this in front of a mirror and not in front of a desktop. I'm going to go upside down this time. Okay, there's my, could use some conditioning. Okay, so you take the ponytail on top of your head with one hand, you fold down the ends, okay, like so. Take the pin, go along the back, wrap the front around, secure the pin in the other side of the loop right there, okay? And then just adjust how you want your messy bun to look. Super easy and comfortable. Okay, I'm gonna do it with the regular Flexi Clip. Again, one-handed takeout, right? Nope, no hairs, no pulling. All right, now I'm gonna do the regular Flexi Clip, the classic, the original, right? You can see how cute that looks. Again, the pin goes along the back. Now the regular Flexi Clips don't have the reversible pins, but there is a style called the Flip, the Flexi Flip, and those are reversible and they're metal like this. Okay, so wrap it around. You hook the pin. You see that on the other, through the loop there, right? All right, then you spread it around for your little, cute little messy bun. All right, so you have like a little decorative, it seems a little bit off center, but like everything's backwards in this. So I don't know which way to pull it because it's backwards. Am I going the right way? Okay, so there. You have like a little decorative thing on the top of your head, right? Let's see, which way does this go? It goes that way. Okay, so there you have, can you see that? That's really cute. That's a really pretty style right there. And they come in all kinds of different decorative styles, decorative centerpieces, and the gold tone or silver tone or rose gold tone, right? So there, it's super easy, just easy to put up in a couple seconds and to wear it all day or wear it through the night or whatever you want to do, right? And it may take off 10 years, maybe. All right, if you want to grab one of these for yourself and give it a try, the link is in the description below. All right, thanks for watching.